What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this German wine region. Yes, this is not a village or province in Germany. No, this is a big and large wine region. In fact, one of the biggest wine regions, producing some excellent, between others, Riesling and Pinot Noir wines. In particular, this is one of the warmest and driest wine regions in Germany, so particularly suitable for viticulture and wine growing. Therefore, Pfalz makes some delicious Riesling and Pinot Noir wines. Yes, I said that already. Pinot Noir are going to be called Spatburgunder wines. So how do you go about pronouncing this? Well, it's pretty straightforward, pretty much like it reads. Pfalz, P-F-A-L-Z, therefore Pfalz. The Pfalz wine region of Germany. Pfalz. Pfalz. Pretty straightforward. If you'd like to learn more about wine, have a look around my YouTube channel, plenty to see.